Ever wondered how much it gulps down to keep a Tesla moving? Forget filling stations and fumes. Electric cars are the future, and Teslas are leading the charge. But instead of gallons of petrol, we're talking kilowatt-hour of electricity. So, how much does it really cost to fill your Tesla in the UK, and is it cheaper than running a petrol car? Buckle up, because we're about to break it down. First things first, unlike filling a petrol tank, charging a Tesla isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. There are two main ways you can juice up your Tesla: plugging it in at home or using Tesla's supercharger network. Home sweet and cheap charge. Imagine this: you pull into your driveway, plug in your Tesla overnight, and wake up to a fully charged car. That's the beauty of home charging. The cost? Well, it depends on your electricity tariff. On average, UK households pay around 28 pence per kilowatt-hour electricity cost UK. Let's take the Tesla Model 3 standard range as an example. This bad boy boasts a 60 kilowatt-hour battery. So, a full charge from empty would set you back roughly £16.80, way cheaper than a tank of petrol. But wait, there's more. Many energy suppliers offer special off-peak rates, meaning you can charge your Tesla at a fraction of the cost during the night. We're talking pennies on the kilowatt-hour. So, if you can plan your charging around these off-peak hours, the cost savings can be significant. Hitting the road, supercharger network. Now, let's say you're on a road trip and need to top up your battery. That's where Tesla's supercharger network comes in. These are these sleek, futuristic charging stations scattered across the UK, designed for quick and convenient charging. Here's the thing: superchargers aren't free, unless you have a pre-2017 Tesla. Lucky you. The current rate sits at around 67 pence per kilowatt-hour. That might seem like a jump from home charging, but there's a catch. Tesla offers a monthly membership for £10.99 that brings the cost down to a more wallet-friendly 53 pence per kilowatt-hour. So, how much does a supercharger top-up cost? Well, it depends on how much juice you need. Most Teslas can get around 80% charge in 30 minutes at a supercharger. Let's use our Model 3 example again. An 80% charge would be around 48 kilowatt-hours, which translates to roughly £25.44 with the membership, or £32.16 without. The verdict: is it cheaper than petrol? In most cases, absolutely. Even with supercharger costs, electrically powering your Tesla is generally cheaper than relying on petrol. Think about it: how often do you really need a full supercharger top-up? Most daily commutes can be covered with a home charge, keeping your costs nice and low. Beyond the cost. But it's not just about saving money at the pump or, well, charger. Electric cars are better for the environment, no tailpipe emissions, woohoo! Plus, they offer a smoother, quieter ride. So, how much does it cost to fill a Tesla in the UK? It depends on how and where you charge, but it's generally cheaper than petrol. Home charging is the most cost-effective option, while superchargers are a convenient choice for longer journeys. With that, thanks for watching, and until next time.